Question number 4. An experiment was conducted to investigate the effects of the three teaching methods on a group of 20 students. Each student was randomly assigned to a method and at the end of a 4-week program was given the standardized exam. The results are shown in the table 4 below. The sample sizes are small and normality checks showed that the assumption of normality had not been met. Use the Kruskal-Wallis test to investigate that the medians of exam score are not equal. Use a 5% level of significance. From this question, we know that the amount of sample, which is n, is 20, and the level of significance is 0.05. Ask that whether the medians of exam score in each student standardized for each method are not equal. So this is the solution. The first step is hypothesis. The hypothesis is H0 is mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. The median of the student exam score from the three methods are same. For the H1 is mu1 not equal to mu3 not equal to mu3. The median of the student exam score from the three methods are not same. For the statistic test, we use the Kruskal-Wallis test. For the step 1 is sort the following data into the ranking data. We can sort it from the smallest one to the largest one. So this is the score for the method 1, the method 2, and the score for method 3. So this is the ranking. We can ranking it from the smallest one until the largest one. The smallest one is 61, and for the largest one is 19. So we can calculate the R. For R1, for R method 1 is 19. We get from the sum of the ranking. And R2, the sum of the ranking is 40. And R3 is 80. Okay, step 2 is calculate age with the following formula. So this is the formula of age calculation, which is 12 divided by n times n plus 1. And here is 20. So for the R is here, R1, R2, and RT, and divided by n. The n of each R is for R1, the n is 6, the total of score, and for the R2 is 8, and for the R3 is 6. So here we get the first calculation is 12 divided by 420 times 2616.67 minus 63. 63 is we get from this formula minus 3 times n plus 1 here. And we get the F calculation is 11.762. So for the step 3 is we can determine the critical area and the test criteria. For the critical area with V, degrees of freedom is K minus 1. For the K is 3 because there is 3 method. So the V is 2, and we can get the X square from the chi-square table is 5.991. Next, for the criteria test, we reject the H0 if the H calculation is more than equal 5.911 and accept H0 if the H calculation is less than 5.911. So here the conclusion is reject H0 because H value of our H calculation, which is 11.762, is more than equal 5.911. So that with the level significance of 5%, state that the median of the student exam score for the three methods are same. I think that's all for me. Thank you for all of you that have watched my videos about final exam question of industrial statistics. Hope you guys have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.